Alright guys, so Walking Dead is a brand that obviously Buzzbee does very well, and they're coming out with this. Now I've got a pseudo-functional prototype slung under my arm right now, but this is what it's going to look like when it comes to market. This is Abraham's Demolisher. It is a full auto flywheel mag-fed blaster, which is awesome, all at a price point of 30 United States dollars, plus Walking Dead branding. Like, that is serious value coming out of Buzzbee. Now, I'm not going to take this one out of the package because I don't think I'm allowed to, and this one doesn't have enough battery to currently fire fully, as I'm a little late today. But has a sling point, and it fires in a very unique and interesting way. This is not actually a trigger. You hold here and pull back. Pulling back is going to actuate a mechanical pusher and rev the flywheels all in one. So that mechanical pusher is going to peel darts off the top and push them through the flywheel system at about a dart a second, maybe 2. It's reasonable rate of fire for a full auto, which means that you won't actually burn through these magazines that terribly quickly. With the magazine in, it becomes a little less streamlined, but it's got to fire something somehow, some way. That's the latest Walking Dead. This one says something, but it's not going to come out this way. This is just the best way for me to demo it for you here so that you know that it'll be coming to market eventually. Thank you guys very much for watching. Let me know in the description box below, underneath it in the comments section, what you think of full auto blasters from Buzzbee. Like, do you like this flywheel geometry? Do you think that this is cool? Can it compete with other full autos? Weigh in.